Hey everyone, welcome back once again. I have the teams loaded here. This is a randomization for the Team Canada hit. John Tavares, 46 out of 50. Very nice card. We will randomize this 3 times. Team on top takes the card. Number 1. Two. And 3. The Calgary Flames. Well, when it rains, it pours. Congratulations to the Calgary Flames. Beautiful, beautiful card. Okay. Now, we're going to do the bonus cards. But, first of all, we're going to randomize what you see there listed. If gold comes out on top, I give the card away. Save is on top, I keep it another day. So the first one we're going to do is from 11-12 Crown Royale. Sorry guys, give me a second, I'm just going to adjust this. In the Detroit uniform, Luc Robitaille, Crown Royale Mythology. That's 1 for tick, tack, and toe. Save. I'm going to keep that one more day. Or at least till the next break. Next giveaway is for 2 cards. For the Dallas Stars, auto rookie, Thomas Vancouver. And Thomas Vancouver rookie from 11-12 Titanium, number 38 out of 100. Let's give this another go. Tick, tack, toe. We're giving one away. Before we do the randomization for that, one more card. Again from 11-12 Titanium. Hat tricks, number 156 out of 199. Matt Duchene, Brandon Yip, and TJ Gagliardi. Here we go. Tick, tack, toe. Alright, we're giving away 2. Teams are reloaded. This first randomization will be for the 2 Vancouver cards. That's 1. 2, 3. The Washington Capitals. Next up for the titanium hat trick card. 1, 2, and 3. Detroit Red Wings. Alright guys, once again, as always, thanks again for participating. Can't wait to see you all back in the next one. Enjoy your weekend.